In this video, I'll show you how to add credit card to your Kraken account. For example, you are using the desktop version of your Kraken. First of all, you need to log into your account, then click on deposit right here, and then select the currency you want to deposit. In this case, I will choose USD, but you can also choose other currencies too, guys. So let's choose USD, and now we need to select credit or debit card. And right here, we need to add our credit card to Kraken account. We need to add our credit or debit card number, then expiration date and CVV. Also, you need to enter the billing address and click on Add button right here. You will add your card to Kraken account. Then you need to select the amount of money you want to deposit and finalize the transaction. Keep in mind that you may add up to 4 cards in a 30-day period, guys. So there is a little restriction about the cards. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.